Okay, doing a little rust repair work on our rail on our 70 machine here. We gotta fix that spot right there. It had reinforcement inside of there, which we drilled off already. You can see the old one here that we drilled on, where the hole was at through there. And so we got that drilled off. Then we've made a new one. It's gonna go right in there. And so our next step is we're going to take and cut that section out right through there. And we'll cut another section and go in it. Actually, what we'll do is we'll cut one section, lay over it, and then we'll cut them both at the same time. That way our section we cut fits in there perfectly. So we'll get at it and come back and you have that ready to weld in and go from there. Okay, we got our other piece cut out of there, our new piece cut for it. Now all we gotta do is just take and weld it all up. Come back and clean it up, and then we'll put our inner structure piece on that we made. And rust inhibit all that through there. One step closer. We've got the other side all ready to go as well, so we'll both those up and come back to it.